Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Ryujinx is up to date and your controller is physically connected. Once done, verify drivers or Bluetooth pairing so the OS recognizes the device. Then open Ryujinx and navigate straight to options right arrow input. Select an empty controller profile slot to begin mapping. This gets you into the configuration screen immediately so you can map without extra downloads, and it makes sure Ryujinx can read input before you invest time in detailed bindings. Now map each button and stick deliberately. Choose Pro Controller or Joy-Con layout depending on the game you'll play. Assign face buttons, triggers, D-pad, and sticks one at a time, and calibrate analog sticks by setting dead zones and sensitivity in small steps. 5 to 10% adjustments avoid twitching. Save the profile with a clear name. Then perform a quick test by booting a compatible ROM or using the input test so you can confirm axes and buttons act as expected before moving on. Finish by configuring advanced options like vibration and gyro mapping. Map gyro to mouse or a secondary stick if you need tilt control. Create separate profiles for different genres and export them so you can restore settings later. If something goes wrong, replug the controller, reinstall drivers, or reset the profile in Ryujinx. Also check for Steam input or X input conflicts that can hijack controls. These steps lock in reliable input and give you a clear troubleshooting path if issues appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.